Good morning. This is Streetview Vagabond's Global Sound Check, where I fire up my internet radio, pick a station at random from around the world, and list the first 5 songs that have a Shazam match. Where are we going today?
Today we're listening to Family Radio 104.5 FM from Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Let's see what they're spinning.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes. Really point to just to hurt you.
Байсан бол чамаар шүтээ өртгөсөн чи чанга чимээ байсан бол чамайг чагнаад унтахсан.
Enjoy these songs at full length by following the YouTube links below or by listening to Streetview Vagabond's playlist for the week on Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get your Global Sound Check daily recap.
If you find yourself in Ulaanbaatar, you can stay at the Hotel Mola and grab a push non-alcoholic lime-based drink.
Thanks for listening.